It is time for another property tour with your host, America's Realtor, aka Alex Maloney. And today, y'all, we are live, absolutely live from Dallas, Texas at 10758 St. Lazare Drive. And that zip code is 75229. And I'll have the description below, as always. And the list price on this one is $3.199 million. And if you haven't already, please smash that subscribe button to join the America's Realtor YouTube family. And as always, if you're interested in moving to the DFW Metroplex, please visit my website at www.alexpmaloney.com, or you can head to my Instagram or TikTok and fill out an inquiry form, and one of our team members at America's Realty Group with Compass will get back to you shortly. So let's dig into this house, guys. So this is a brand new property, 2024 build, just completed in Dallas. And it's 5 beds, 5 full baths. All of these are en suites, guys. So, you don't have the separate baths or anything like that. There's no half baths. So just 5 beds, 5 baths, all en suites, and 3 fireplaces. And what's unique about this property, as you'll see, is that there's sliders in the back. There's 3 sets of sliders. So one from the master, one in the living room, and one in the kind of guest area. I think it's either, it can be a guest bed or it can be a little game room, something like that, which I'll show you in a little bit. And it is a 2-car garage. And it's sitting on 0.361 of an acre. And this is zoned to Dallas ISD, Withers Elementary, Walker Middle, and the high school is White. And the subdivision is Les Jardins, and this is indeed sitting on a corner lot. Highly desirable. And some of you ask always, where in Dallas is this? This is Preston Hollow. So super good location. And I want to give a shout out to Bill Koenig with Ebby Holiday Realtors. He's the listing agent, for letting us in this beautiful property and touring it. And let's get into the upgrades on this, guys. So there's a lot to go over. So the home design is classified as modern coastal, and it does indeed have that curved front driveway, and it has walkway lights, which is super rare, and obviously that professional landscaping, as you saw. The home is loaded with tons and tons of these features, to enhance your living and entertaining lifestyle. This is wired for Cat 6. There's a security system, LED and modern linear track lighting, pendant chandeliers, custom cabinetry, and imported tiles, imported porcelain. And there is a wine vault, illuminated floating staircase, 22 feet soaring ceilings. And the chef's kitchen has that imported porcelain backsplash and floating shelves, 9-foot island, waterfall edge, of course custom cabinets, monogram Wi-Fi capabilities, and that is a 6-burner professional grade gas stove. And everyone's favorite, has a pop filler. And that office, guys, gosh, 17-foot ceilings. It's super rare. And let's get right into this primary bedroom master suite. It has that porcelain backdrop, electric fireplace, illuminated floating shelves, bi-folding glass doors that open all the way. So if it's a nice day out, you know you can air out the house, get some fresh air. Custom spa-like wet room, and it features a no-step shower, rainfall shower head that changes colors, large soaking tub, floating custom vanities, wall-mounted faucets, floating cabinets, as I said, with custom mirrors. The walk-in primary closet has illuminated shelving and glass fronts, super modern, and that's in all the closets, as you'll see, guys. So they kept this very modern. And it has access to the wet room and closet through the large glass pivoting doors. That's super rare as well, guys. You don't really see a glass door, going into the master bath. Mirror just strolling along. So the guest suites have expansive windows for lots of natural lighting. Unique tile finishes, as you've seen, floating cabinets. And the garage is a 2-car. I think I mentioned that in the beginning. And let's head up here. I'm going to get into the media room specs real quick. So the oversized media room features a black porcelain waterfall edge bar, media rack closet, and custom glass wine cellar for your wine storage, or just to show off your favorite collectibles. And I'm going to let y'all enjoy the rest of this tour, and I'll come back on when we hit the backyard.
Place where we can go and be alone. So come away with me, nobody has to know where we gonna go.
So this backyard is magnificent, y'all. 8-foot horizontal slat wood privacy fencing, stained concrete patio deck pads, and it has a patio connected to the lounge area, which you see right here. Outdoor kitchen lounge featuring mosaic modern floor tile, and an infinity edge pool, heated spa, 2 tanning ledges, 2 bubblers, and oversized lighted waterfalls. So this home, guys, is fully decked out.
sleeping under stars when
So beautiful.
it's gone.
And that is it, y'all. I want to thank y'all for tuning in to today's property tour,
I was just
and I'll see y'all on the next one.
calling to say